The NO.X220S FPV Racing Drone is a high-performance drone built for both beginners and experienced pilots, with a stable digital image transmission system that ensures clear and steady images. Constructed with 3K carbon fiber and connected by aluminum alloy posts, the drone offers stability in flight and resistance to wear, making it an ideal choice for drone racing. The drone is equipped with a F405V2 flight controller, MPU6000 GYRO, a AT7456E OSD, and 4 UARTs, which contribute to its superior performance and easy control. The X220S frame kit features a wheelbase of 220 mm and frame arms that are 4 mm thick and 15 mm wide, ensuring lightweight construction and efficient takeoff. Powered by a MN2206 2300 kV motor with a maximum thrust of 1100 grams, the drone is capable of impressive speed and agility. The drone is produced by TCM-MRC, a brand known for its professional production, technical, assembly, and after-sales team, ensuring reliable customer service.